Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're having a wonderful January. Today, when I release this, is Wednesday, January the 8th. Mr. B and I are celebrating our 48th wedding anniversary today. Whoop, whoop. He was 27 and I was 23. And today I want to talk to you about something that's so dear to me, and that is your potential and unlocking your potential. So how do you unlock your potential? You are just a ball of potentiality, right? You have so much in you. You can do so many things, and God has blessed you in so many ways. So be grateful for that. And what I'm going to suggest you do, surprise, surprise, is use your planner and follow the rituals that we've set up, which are routines. I like to call them rituals because rituals really center your life and really anchor you. Okay, so your rituals, your morning ritual, your laundry ritual, your after dinner ritual, your before bed ritual number 1, where you take care of body and clothes, your before bed ritual number 2, where you get ready for bed on time and you run the dishwasher and take care of your teeth. You don't get ready for bed, you're ready for bed. You go to bed on time after you turn on the dishwasher and brush your teeth. So those are the rituals. And then the other thing is your zone work. This week we're in zone 2, the kitchen. There are things that you need to do to declutter in there possibly. If you need to declutter, you're only going to do it for 15 minutes. And you're going to do it supposedly 4 times a week. If you're watching this on Wednesday, Monday will have already been a day. Tuesday, I like to give you a free day if you're at home. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those are the days we work in our home on our zones. If you're payroll, for traditional payroll, you would do that on Saturday morning for 1 hour. Just knock it out. Make sure that you complete the process by throwing away the trash, by putting away the things you found that were out of place or that you've discovered a new place to put them, and by putting the giveaway in the back of the car so that when you do run errands later on this week, you can drop those off. So, and then the last thing is your basic weekly plan, the thing you do every day of the week. So on Monday, we do weekly home blessing hour. On Tuesday, I like to give you a free day if you're at home. On Wednesday, planning and desk day, where you get your planner and you plan out for the whole next week. On Thursday, errands, because you've already planned out your groceries on Wednesday, so go get them on Thursday. Friday is car and purse day, where you make sure your car is in good shape and your purse is in good shape. Saturday is family fun day. Sunday is renew your spirit. If you're payroll, you're going to do some of your things on Saturday. So typically what I have people who are payroll do on Saturday is they get up in the morning, they do their zone for an hour, which I just mentioned, and then they do their weekly home blessing hour. And this can be split among the family. So if there are 3 of you, then it's 20 minutes instead of an hour. Remember, we're not deep cleaning, we're blessing. If you don't remember what it is to do these things, please go back and watch my original video from years ago, but it's still valid. I may call them routines though back then, but it's okay. It's called How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. And you can find it by typing that in and you'll find it. It's right out there with FlyLady Kat. Okay. And then on Saturdays, on Sundays, I like you to do planning and desk day because it tends to be quiet on Sunday afternoon. So you can still honor the Lord on that day and then stay at home and make your plan. Then during the week, it's possible that you can run your errands through the week, or you can have your groceries delivered, or just order them and pick them up. So there's a way to do all of this and work. I did it for many years. I worked over 40 years and I'm still working full time. So, and by doing this is a full-time job that I do. I mentor people every day, Tuesday through Saturday, and I take Sunday and Monday off and half a day Saturday. All right, so I hope this was helpful for you. I would appreciate this if you would comment if you have a question. I will be happy to answer your comment. If you would subscribe if you haven't subscribed, it's great to have you as a subscriber because then you're going to see it more often. I know I'm making you one of these every week to watch out here, but it doesn't have all the information you need. It's just a little bit for the week. If you need to be mentored or you want something every day, I recommend you go to my Patreon channel, patreon.com. It's FlyLady Kat at patreon.com. And or just go to Patreon and look for FlyLady Kat. You can sign up to get 5 videos a week through Patreon, or you can sign up to be mentored. So if that's something you're interested in, and you need a little more help, come on over there, and I'll talk to you there too. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you share this with somebody who you think might enjoy it, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.